Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to unbox Angel. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Funko Pop X-Men series set 424, which as you can see is Angel. Okay, I got this as part of the exclusive Marvel Collector Core package from Amazon. So you can take a look at my previous video if you want to see all the included items in that package. But we're unboxing them one by one, starting off with Angel here. So Angel is wearing your white and red with wings. And the other side just shows the window of the figure. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of Funko Pop. Okay, but I do love my X-Men, and I'm contemplating whether to get at least some X-Men Funko Pops. Okay, what do you guys think? Put it in the comments. I'm just fearful because once I start to collect a few, I might end up collecting all of them, which is really a backlog of a challenge for me. Okay, I do have the big Sentinel Funko Pop because it's a 10-inch Funko Pop, which I really like the sculpt. Okay, but I'm a bit hesitant because Funko Pops usually comes with a big box and I don't have enough storage space. Okay, this particular Funko Pop was released when 2018 there. Okay, 2018, so a good 5 years ago. And before we look at the Funko Pop further, let's take a look at some Heroclix figures, and we have 3 Angels that we're going to look at. Okay, so I chose them because they're wearing red and white uniform. Okay, and the first one is the oldest, the Golden Age. I think this is from the Danger Room set. Okay, so you can see Angel here, blue-faced Angel, Warren Worthington. Okay, paint is a bit sticky. Okay, dirty. It's a dirty figure. And let's take a look at the dial. A bit hard to turn this dial. These are uncarded figures. I hope I can turn the dial. If not, we can just probably take a look at one of the values. There you go. So for 10 charge, 816 ESD with 2 damage, close combat expert for 50 points. Very typical during their time, but you can see the wingspan is really something meticulous. Okay, so yeah, truly a great sculpt. Okay, even comparing it with modern or newer versions, the wingspan just do not compare. Okay, and he is on top of a flight stand, so that counts for something, right? So the next one, the next time that Angel appeared is during the Days of Future Past set. Okay, so this is Angel, which has the Celebrity, Champions, Defenders, X-Factor, and X-Men keyword. He has a trait, a team player since the beginning, as he is a part of the original 5 first-class mutants. Adjacent friendly characters with the Defenders or X-Men team ability can use both the Defenders and X-Men team abilities. Okay, so sharing of team abilities, always good, even in modern standards. Okay, there's a bit of a mark on the card. Okay, soaring on the wings of an angel is sidestep, wing buffet, flurry, nearly out, earthbound neutralized, and he has a special attack power, wing warrior. Angel can use charge. When he does, he can use improved movement characters and modifies his speed value +2. Wow, that's good. Let me see. Okay, so it's a special attack, making his movement 7. Okay, half is of 10 is 5 +2, so that will be 7 charge. Okay, this should have been in the special movement power, but anyway, not just aerial maneuvers, combat reflexes, and teachings of Saber Perplex completes his power set. Real name is Warren Worthington, and this was released 2014. Okay, so quick look. Angel, white wings, and of course translucent stand. Okay, and the last time we see Angel in red white would be during the Uncanny X-Men set. So I'm showing you guys the Fast Forces figure, which has a couple of traits. The first one is time locked. Opposing characters can't use probability control to reroll attacks made by or targeting this character. So it's basically protected opposing probability control. And second one is swooping in. Give Angel a power action and have his speed value, then move him up to his speed value. After actions resolve, either Angel or a character he carried with the all-new X-Men keyword may make a close attack. So it can be a charge or it can be to place a character that can attack. Okay, as long as that character has the all-new X-Men keyword. Okay, probably a Wolverine. Okay, so no details, no more powers at the back. Set number 3. Real name is Warren Worthington III. All-new X-Men number 18, 2014 is the significant appearance, but this figure was released 2016. Okay, quick look at the dial, at the figure rather, and click number 1 is sidestep 10 17 2. So typical power set, sidestep, ESD. Okay, this one senses. Okay, so those are just 3 of the Angel that we have. Okay, so usually Angel comes in, I would know him more with the purple costume design, or the Archangel black design. Okay, coming from the animated series. Okay, but nonetheless, let's open up this Funko Pop. Okay, I am always out of box collector. Okay, I use boxes only for storage, but I take them out most of the time. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have the flight stand here, and then we have the bobblehead Angel. Okay, I love the texture of the wings. Okay, so big head, tiny body is what Funko Pops are. So we put it here. Okay, how do I do it? Put it here. Okay, as I said, I'm not a huge Funko Pop, so I don't know if I'm doing it correctly. Harder. There you go. Okay, looks good actually. Okay. Okay. So that's Angel, both in Heroclix and Funko Pop form. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. What do you think? Should I get more Funko Pop X-Men's? Comment on your thoughts below. Help me decide. Do we need more X-Men in Funko Pop? Bye-bye. Yes, 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 yes.